I felt the shift before it came, like rain inside a picture frame. The room was quiet but not still. You smiled like you had time to kill. And when you left it slow, so slow I didn't even know. The color bled from every scene, and even violets lost their green. Then you looked at me with that violet glow, like love dressed up as something I should let go. You held my face with a trembling sigh, and I disappeared under the violet sky. Now every laugh sounds just a bit too sharp, like memories that missed the mark. The mirror shows a version stalled, a shade of me before the fall. And if I dream, it's not a piece, it's you in silence out of reach. You taught me how to breathe in light, but never how to sleep at night. Yeah, you looked at me with that violet glow, like a light too soft for me to ever know. You kissed the air as if I'd already died, and I fell through you into the violet tide.
Somewhere we're still running wild, but not here, not in this trial. You were thunder in disguise, now you're just the sky I recognize.